Today is the UN Day of Parents, a day dedicated to appreciating the role parents take on towards nurturing their children, providing love, care, support and nourishment. The role that parents take on to help shape our future leaders, future citizens and future everyone. As an organisation, UNICEF knows, through research and through experience, that all parents and caregivers want what's best for their children. And yet the reality is that nobody really prepares them to take on this important role, except maybe the role modelled by their own parents. Even in the rapidly changing world in which we live, parents continue to navigate new and complex issues, from technological advancements to social and economic pressures. Despite these challenges, they remain resolute in finding ways to provide stable and loving environments for their children. The theme of this year's UN Day of Parents, Raising Parents, recognises that parenting is evolving and that skills can be strengthened, building on parents' existing knowledge and capacities, and that caregivers need time and support to raise their children. Through our different program support to the government of Timor-Leste, UNICEF is invested in programs that accelerate progress in different areas of children, ensuring that every child is better supported and protected through informed, active and present parents. For example, mother support groups across 14 municipalities are supporting parents to manage the health and nutrition of their newborn babies and providing them with guidance on when to seek immediate help at health centres when the baby is unwell. Community-based preschools in Amera and Vikeke have sharpened parent skills to providing play-based early education for their schools, ensuring that parents are contributing to the cognitive development of their children from an early age. Parenting programs are also helping parents to reduce harsh discipline in the home, finding alternative positive discipline methods and helping parents to prevent, identify and respond to any forms of violence or abuse against the child. Investing in parenting support interventions is therefore a critical step for parents to better understand the unique and evolving needs of their child at each stage of development, and therefore helps in securing a better future for all children. UNICEF therefore calls for universal parenting support to ensure that all parents continue to have access to the resources and guidance they need to effectively play their role. Investing in parenting interventions is critical for the future of all children and should be a national priority. Quality support for parents and caregivers, including interventions to strengthen child-parent relationships that promote nurturing care and prevent child abuse and neglect, is important for every family to thrive. Also, as communities, we need to support parents when we can. They say it takes a village, and I'm proud to be part of that village. I invite you to join that village.